What's up, guys? Thank you so much for returning to some more Monday motivation. I'm so happy you decided to join me on my channel. I have tons of motivation for you guys in this video, so be sure to watch all the way to the end. First, I'm starting in my kitchen just because I feel like it's always the most extreme mess. So I like to tackle my kitchen first and then move on to the rest of my apartment, and everything else feels much easier. As you saw, I'm going to be using different cleaning products in this video than I normally do use. I typically use Method and 7th Generation and the typical things like that. However, I have been in the process where I am going to be slowly transitioning everything in my home over to really safe, organic, natural products that I know for 100% do not contain a bunch of chemicals in it. So a friend of mine reached out to me, and she shops at a wellness company where all their products are chemical-free, natural, and safe, and she made a borrow basket for me for all the cleaning products that she normally uses, and I was super excited to try them out. They definitely smell so good, especially the dish soap. It was lemon scent. And I can remember just standing there thinking like, man, this smells so good. It reminds me of springtime. And yeah, I was just loving it. I will leave links below if any of you guys have more questions about the cleaning products that I am using. Here, I'm just taking a break to make my daughter some macaroni and cheese for lunch. She was super hungry, so I had to stop. I don't know if you guys have tried this Daya macaroni and cheese. I love it because it's gluten-free, soy-free, dairy-free, and all that stuff because I can't really eat that in my home. And this macaroni and cheese is pretty bomb for not having all those ingredients. And I actually do really love like all of their products.
It started out like a movie scene, something straight out of a magazine. I crossed my fingers you'd come to me. Then all of a sudden it became reality. Don't care about no gold, no one else to hit my phone up. None of that pretentious life. No, 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 don't need no pills to get high. There's no doubt in my mind. Your love, it is all that I need. To hit my phone up, none of that pretentious life. No, 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 don't need no pills to get high. There's no doubt in my mind. Your love, it is all that I need. It's all that I need. All I need is your loving. All I need is your loving. It's all that I need. Your love, it is all that I need. Your love, it is all that I need. It's all that I need. All that I need. It started out like a movie scene, something straight out of a magazine. I crossed my fingers you'd come to me. Then all of a sudden it became reality. Don't care about no gold, no one else to hit my phone up. None of that pretentious life. No, 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 don't need no pills to get high. There's no doubt in my mind. Your love, it is all that I need. I'd climb a mountain, I'd clear the sea. For you, I'd do anything, my remedy. You gave me a purpose, now I'm on my feet. I'm dancing to the pounding of your heartbeat. Your eyes sing the sweetest melody. Don't care about no gold, no one else to hit my phone up. None of that pretentious life. No, 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 don't need no pills to get high. There's no doubt in my mind. Your love, it is all that I need. It's all that I need.
I almost got all of the blue marker out of the pillow, just that tiny little spot.
When you're near
We are going to be getting new couches soon. I'm so excited for that. I am just not a fan of this brown, so I can't wait to get something that's more my husband and I style. And the last thing I'm going to clean is my bathroom. I did not want to clean my bathroom at all. It's probably my least favorite chore, but I was so thankful. My daughter really wanted to help me, and she was actually encouraging me to clean. So I'm thankful for her and that she loves to help mommy clean.
Not the lipstick.
Yeah, you don't need lipstick, girlfriend.
Yeah.
Yeah. You're always putting on lipstick, aren't you? Let me see you. Let me see you.
See what?
No, lipstick for Denny.